everybody. Today we are talking to Professor Dr. Hillebrand, who is responsible for financial accounting at the UAS Mainz. Thank you very much for being here today. Mr. Hillebrand, what is your profession at the UAS Mainz?
You already said it. I'm a professor of accounting and auditing here at Fachhochschule Mainz at the University of Applied Sciences.
And why did you decide to be a professor at this UAS?
First of all, I think Mainz is a very lively student city. That's one good reason. And I think it's a university with very close relationships to companies, business enterprises, banks. And I think this makes the University of Applied Sciences in Mainz so interesting.
Okay, and can you tell us what the advantage of the UAS Mainz compared to the University of Mainz is?
I think when you enter the building, it's a friendly building. You go into the rooms, it's not 300 students in one lecture, it's only 30. You have direct access to the professors. The professors are not only academically qualified, but they also have some years, some of them 5 years, at least 5 years, 10 years of practical experience. So for the students, the advantages that your lessons in classes are practically relevant. So I think from my point of view, that's a very important advantage.
Okay, and what are the core topics of your financial accounting courses at the UAS?
It depends according to the target groups. If it's students that don't go into accounting or auditing, I think my basic objective is financial statement analysis to see the possibilities of getting information about companies, whether, for example, to grant a loan, to buy shares, sell shares. I think that's the kind of decisions that's most important for most students. And for those students who go into auditing, I think it's very important to make judgments on financial statements, whether they give a true and fair view, whether they are actually useful for decision making. So I think it depends on the core group.
But what is the most important reason to study at this UAS?
I think it's that you learn the relevant things for your profession. I think that's the most important advantage. And of course, professors.
Okay, so thank you very much for taking the time and have a nice week.
You're welcome.